So I'm going to do a video walkthrough because there's a few issues trying to get this to be done, and that way this can be shared to everybody you know that has an Apple device. If you're taking a photo with an Apple device and you haven't changed these settings, this can cause a lot of grief for people with Windows devices when you're trying to send them the photos. First thing you want to do is, for any photos in the future, you want to go into settings. We want to go all the way down until we get to camera. There it is there. I go into camera. I go to formats and I make sure I choose that most compatible. Now, any photos I take from now on will be JPEGs and they will work on any device at all I send them to. I can send an email, no problem at all. The person who receives that email can open up those photos. Once I've made sure that's okay, I now want to make sure that any photos I've taken in the past, I've modified them to work on any device. So I go into photos. This photo in the middle here will do perfectly fine. So I'm holding my finger on that and I want to copy that photo. Nice and simple for that. Now I've got to go into my files section and I've got to now paste. So I hold my finger again and I tell it to paste. And now that photo there is a JPEG and that can be sent to anybody at all without any problems. As you can see there, it says JPEG image. It is a tedious process for any photos you want to send. However, you will need to get there and do that for any photos you want to send. So that way the person receiving them, no matter what their device is, they can open them.